Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. So today we are going to take a look over Tasha's Wild Magic. This is a CRO miner with a small twist, and that twist enables the constant buy pressure. We will look into this in a minute. So currently the Cauldron holds 173 CRO, and this is their last champion. So minimum buy amount for being eligible as Tasha's champion is 100 CRO. So you commit your 100 CRO over here, and those 100 CRO will be converted into wild tokens. So let's see how this contract works. So Tasha's Wild Magic is a direct spin-off project that is going to help increase the longevity of Wizardly. We have developed our Wild token to have some very interesting attributes. The buy pressure for our token is going to be immense. Okay, so let's see how does it work. The Cauldron. Whenever a Wild token is purchased, 3% of the purchase will go into the Cauldron. If a token is sold, 3 to 8% of the sell goes into the Cauldron as well. This will help the cauldron to grow slowly or rapidly depending on the number of buys and sells going on. So as the cauldron grows, the opportunities for some truly epic events to take place. So they have a timer built into the cauldron that resets every time someone purchases at least 100 crore worth of wild tokens. This timer will initially be set at 10 minutes but can be altered at any point for fun flash rounds. So if after 10 minutes no one else has spent 100 crore to buy wild, then the last person that spent 100 crore will become Tasha's champion. And 90% of the cauldron is immediately emptied and 49% of that amount gets deposited immediately into the champion's wallet and 51% goes to the buyback wallet. So this will make the buying pressure for wild tokens extremely high in almost all situations. At the same time, if you bought it and didn't win, you can watch your investments steadily rise as more buys come to increase the dollar worth of your investment. So this is a pretty interesting concept, I think. Wild magic surge. There needs to be a mechanism in place to keep the cauldron from filling indefinitely. Otherwise, Tasha's champion could never be found. We have set a hard limit on how much money can be put into the cauldron through buys and sells. This cap is 50,000 crore. If champion is not found and the cauldron is not claimed by anyone because buys are regularly coming in and resetting the timer, an automatic cash out will take place. This cash out will be known as the wild magic surge. Once wild magic surge takes place, the token price will increase dramatically from the buyback, meaning anyone who bought wild tokens long the way will see their investment grow. So coming over to the taxes, there is a 10% buy tax and 12 to 20% sale tax, and this project is obviously on Chronos network. So this is not like just any other miner. This has some unique and interesting attributes to it. It is much more like a game where you can commit your 100 crore and wait for 10 minutes to check if you are the champion or not, and it has been developed by Kitty Finance developer team. They have a Discord group as well. So this is it guys, this is the Tasha's Wild Magic. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you have enjoyed the content then please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.